Independence Day, celebrated on August 15th, commemorates India's momentous independence in 1947 and pays tribute to the bravery of visionary leaders and many unsung heroes who influenced the course of our country. It is a proud moment of reflection, responsibility, and renewal. On this day, when the Prime Minister hosts the tricolour at the famous Red Fort, we are reminded that independence came through immense sacrifices and was not handed over to us in a plate. True independence goes beyond celebration. It lies in empowering young minds to think critically, act with empathy, and make a significant contribution to the nation and the society. I am Maya, avatar of Manjula Puja Shroff. Let us honor the freedom to learn, innovate, and support one another in addition to political freedom.